All right, guys, we out here with it. The Redcat Valkrie. I was gonna get a top speed, but as fate would have it, one forgets to charge one's GPS. So we're gonna run it on the radio link, see how she performs with that. Yeah, I never took that tape off the screen. It's gonna be on here until I feel like taking it off. But anyway, we're gonna fire this thing up, man, and see what she do. Running on 4S. We out here at the regular spot today. Yep. Uh-oh. Little issue. Hang on, guys. Gotta go in and do something. Throttle's right. Reverse. Okay, that should be good. Radio link, just as quick as that, guys. You just go into the sub menus, check everything out. Whoops. We have changed the shocks. I don't know if these tires will let me climb up here. Give it a try. Uh-oh, wind blew over my... Yeah, we cool, just like that. Made it. We just gonna hit the field a little bit because it's a warm day today and the grass seems kind of high. I like that this field is a little choppy though, because it allows you to kind of get in it and ride because of that. With these little dirt patches. This thing rips, man. Yeah, man, I couldn't really get it going. I had it out in another area with the original remote. I really couldn't get it going. I gotta say, this radio link is wonderful, man. It handles much better with this radio link transmitter. As you saw, that was user error when it started getting out of control. You can't turn going full throttle, everybody know that. So that was my mistake. But yeah, man. This thing is really a beast. So before I lose all the battery, we're gonna go ahead on and set the ramp up. If I could jump from this dip. Oh, we gotta get back up there. Oh. Hit that deep hole right there. But I'd say that shock issue is no longer an issue. Once they sent out the correct parts, man, it will not self-right, so don't look for that. Don't look for that. Yeah, let's go and get the ramp and get some jumps, man. Not gonna make this video too long, because it's supposed to be a scorcher today. So I want to make sure that I don't overheat this thing, because you see, I like to just get in the throttle and see what happens. That's always been me. Get in the throttle and see what happens. So when I get this ramp set up, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, got the ramp set up. Just have to hit the lot a little bit. Woo. Can't run into stuff. All right, let me get myself acclimated here. Start right out flipping. See if we can do this, guys. You know, I gotta play dodge. Dodge the truck, because I gotta get it coming straight at us. Okay, we couldn't decide to come out of it or let it flip through. Durability test. Right on the back end on the first jump, guys. Don't look like anything's broken. This thing will flip right through for you. Like that. Definitely like that. Listen, I don't want to get right in front of it, but I'm gonna have to, because I want to line up right and get a little momentum. Okay, this is gonna be a durability test day. We're gonna do what we do. Oh, I don't know if we can still see that. Let's check some stuff. That was a hard hit. Looks like everything's okay, gang. Looks like everything's okay. I might have to adjust the rear, squatting a little bit, but that's okay. Let's try that one more time. Couldn't get the flip that time. flies nice. Even if you miss the ramp a little bit, it's flying nice. I gotta give it that. Gotta get it going. Woo! I almost didn't make it through on that one. I almost didn't make it through, but we did. Having the hardest time lining this thing up though. I gotta get a wider ramp, that's how I feel. I might have to work that trim out. I think I'm zeroed out on my transmitter. I think I'm gonna have to set that on the car itself. Nice one. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Yeah, I know there's outhouses out here and stuff. But what do you want? I'm at a park. I'm gonna get one more jump with this thing. And then we're gonna go head on and just kind of rip it around the lot a little bit. This one a good one. Had to bail out. Had to bail out. Nicely done. I hope I didn't lose sight of it. This thing is a beast, man. This thing is a beast, man. Don't let them tell you different. $4S Monster. $4S Monster. Don't let them tell you different. Don't let them tell you different. Look at that thing. Do what it do. All right. I don't know what the battery is on this guy. This dude is ready, man. Thoroughly enjoying it. Don't want to stop. But I'm gonna call that it for this video. Only because it's getting hot out here. And I don't have my temp gun. And I don't want to overheat it. And I got some other stuff I need to get done with this thing today. I might show y'all a little. What's that now? Oh, that's me. Okay. I'd say we're hitting that low voltage, so I don't want to have to carry it back to the car. So that's this run. Oh, I broke my ramp. Look at that, guys. told you this thing was heavy. No, I didn't have it reinforced at the bottom. That's my fault. But oh well. Take a beast out and let it loose on things that's really only made for small 1/10 scales. I mean, I don't know. I've taken my kaiju off of this thing and my SSTE off of this thing. I've taken some decent sized trucks off of this thing. But this dude broke it. This is not a lightweight truck. This is a tank. There's the proof. Anyway, you guys, if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. It helps the channel and it allows me to continue to bring more content, and it helps me know what content you really want to see. And I don't want to waste your time watching things that you don't want to see. So, like I say, if you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. This is TKS Hobby and the Redcat Valkrie saying be safe, be blessed. Peace.